Hello, what's up everybody? It's Silver Spartan back with another video. So today I'm going to be discussing why I sold my silver. So as you can see, I obviously did not sell all my silver. I have a fair amount of my junk silver right here, and I still have a fair amount of my generic silver rounds and such. But I did sell about 25–30% of my total silver holdings about 3–4 months ago, and I'm just going to start going into why I did that now. So obviously the video might catch a lot of you, and you might come here to see basically what my opinion is, why I'm selling silver, what's wrong with it, why I'm an idiot, as some of you will say in the comments. But basically, I'm just finished up my first semester in college. I'm attending Clemson University. I'm having a great time there. I'm learning a lot. It's so much fun. But I did need some extra money, and my parents are obviously helping me out with tuition, which I'm very thankful for. But just being in college, like whether it be food, buying books, just stuff like that, I do end up needing spending money. So I did actually have to sell a lot of my silver before I left for college. And then I also sold some to start a stock account. So that's going to be very controversial in the silver and gold, just basically precious metal stacking community, just because lots of you choose to put your investment into gold and silver, which obviously I'm a very strong believer in. I've been a believer all the way since I want to say I was about 12 years old. But what you do have to realize is diversification is a very powerful thing, and the stock market does show very good returns over the long run. And lots of you will say that you believe it's rigged and that there's lots of things wrong with it, and I don't disagree with that. But at the end of the day, I think it is good to be diversified. So I still own a large portion of silver. It makes up a large percentage of my net worth. But at the same time, I also decided to join an app called Robinhood. It's where I currently trade stocks. And the reason why I chose that app is because it allows for free trading. It's no commissions. And I really enjoy that because it's easy for me to track my money, just send it from my bank to my account, invest. I can sell stuff, send it back to my bank. There's no fees at any point, which is really nice. I actually have a link to that in the description. Promise it's not some promo, but if you guys do want to sign up for it, you can definitely use that link and it'll take you to Robinhood. But back to this. So I did have to sell some of it for school, and I also had to sell some of it because I thought that it was time to start diversifying and getting into some stocks as well. But now that I've sold all that I did, I do think that I'm going to start hanging out here and definitely staying at this level. I have about 150 ounces in generic rounds and bars right now, and then I do have some more older date, more valuable, more premium junk silver stuff that I will break out in another video, as well as some more premium kookaburras, koalas, stuff like that. But for the time being, this is basically the base of my junk silver stack. I ended up getting rid of about $200–250 face value of these junk silver Washington quarters. I hung on to the best ones, so if you can see there's some proof-like finish there. But most of these are pretty good that I saved, but I did have to get rid of. I just don't recall if it was 200 or 250 face value, but did have to get rid of those about 4 or 5 months ago. And it was hard because I'd saved up those for as long as I can remember, just buying, a tube at a time, even half a tube, a quarter of a tube at a time, going in, just spending $20 to get a handful of Washington quarters and starting a tube. So it was kind of rough to sell that, but I'm gonna be breaking down why I chose to sell the Washington quarters over a lot of my Benjamin Franklins, and why I believe these are a better investment in the long run than these are. I will do a video on that, on why I believe Benjamin Franklins are the best junk silver. I'll just title it something like what I believe the best junk silver is, and I'll break down all those points. But basically, no, Silver Spartan isn't going anywhere by that title of I sold my silver, but I did actually have to sell a lot of it. So I'd like to know in the comments what you guys think about diversifying some away with your assets to stocks as well as silver and such, or if you guys are just hardcore believers in precious metals all the way. So yeah, definitely make sure to leave a comment. Let me know. Stocks, silver, mix of both. What do you guys think? Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more videos coming soon, and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Peace out.